Life cycle of a bean plant. From seed to bean plant. Objectives. 1. Identify and describe the 4 stages of a bean plant's life. 2. Explain how bean plants grow and change through each stage. 3. Learn interesting facts about bean plants and their uses. An overview. A bean plant begins its life as a small seed and grows into a plant that produces pods full of beans. Each stage helps the plant grow and create seeds to start the cycle again. Diagram of the life cycle of a bean plant. Stage 1, Seed. The life of a bean plant starts with a bean seed. The seed is planted in soil and needs water, warmth, and sunlight to sprout. Inside the seed is a tiny plant waiting to grow. Stage 2, Sprout. When the seed starts to grow, a sprout emerges from the soil. This sprout has a small stem and a few leaves. It uses sunlight, water, and nutrients from the soil to grow stronger. Stage 3, Seedling. As the sprout grows, it becomes a seedling with more leaves and a stronger stem. The seedling climbs upward and begins developing tiny buds that will grow into flowers. Stage 4, Mature Plant. The mature bean plant produces flowers that are pollinated by bees or the wind. After pollination, small bean pods start to grow. These pods grow bigger and are filled with beans, which can be harvested or replanted to continue the cycle. Summary. The bean plant goes through 4 main stages: seed, sprout, seedling, and mature plant. Each stage is essential for the plant's growth and ability to produce new seeds. Diagram of the life cycle of a bean plant. Fun facts. There are many types of beans, including green beans, kidney beans, and black beans. Beans are packed with protein, making them a nutritious part of diets around the world. Some bean plants can fix nitrogen in the soil, helping other plants grow. Bean plants can grow climbing vines or stay as small bush plants.
Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more future educational videos.